Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see the features of document management. The document management module helps you to store and attach relevant documents to an employee's profile. You can upload documents such as employee's education certificate, offer letter, previous company payslips, and other such documents. The employees can view the documents in ESS and use them for any future requirements if needed. To create the documents, click Transactions. Under Core HR, click Document Management. Enter the name of the document to be created, like appointment letter, PAN, passport, etc. in the employee doc. Show in ESS. Enabling this box will allow the employee to view the documents in ESS. Allow Edit in ESS. This option allows the employee to edit or re-upload the documents in ESS. Click Save. The document entered will reflect under Employee Document. Click Update to make any changes. Click Delete to delete the document created. Once the document category has been created, the next step is to upload the document into the employee's profile. For that, click on Teams, click Directory, select an employee and click View or Edit. Click Employee Docs. Under the respective category, click View or Add Attachment. Choose a file and click Upload. Note the following points to be considered when uploading the file. The file extension should be in JPG, JPEG, PNG, TIF, or PDF format only. The file name should not contain special characters, and the file name should have no space between them. Also, please note that the file size should not exceed 2 MB. Once you have uploaded the documents, and if you have enabled Show an ESS checkbox, the employee can view the same document in their ESS portal under Profile, Documents. You have the option to import the documents in bulk. Go to Transactions. Click Document Management under Core HR. Click DMS Bulk Upload under Import. You need to place all your PDF files in a folder. Then zip the folder and choose the same zip file to be uploaded. Once you zip the folder, please do not change the zip file name. The file format should be like this. That is, employee code underscore employee name underscore the file name. Select the type of document. Choose the file and click Upload, and your documents will be uploaded. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.